Ahabero 13 by'ukwezi kwa kana umwaka 2023 ihanga Uganda rgacaramera bumi kutunga makuru gukufa COVID omuhandiki wentura mu ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga Keith Muhakanizi. Ekiro ekyabashishirizoba omubiri gwe gwaretwa akashishikirizoba habaho okushabira omubiri gwe omuchayi kororo. Umukorogo kwa hiburi omwe uchakwataho mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Museveni nawe yahikaho. President Yoweri Museveni omugenzi Keith Muhakanizi yamugambaho nk'omuntu abe nakunda omurimo gwe abe nayendeza ihanga Uganda na munonga cyekombi kwatirine nebyentasi.
It was a shock when the other Friday I was in Sozi and the Prime Minister rang me saying that Muhakanizi had died. I was really surprised. I was aware that he had been undergoing treatment for cancer.
Museveni nja kugamba a plan ezomugenzi abirayinira ihanga Uganda kandi ezi enyingi zibeziri izo konja kombeka ihanga Uganda ombyetasi.
Number 1, control inflation. And how do you control inflation? First of all, you control the supply of money. But secondly, you also have strict budgeting. Don't spend the money you don't have.
Abandi bagambi abayika mukorogo omuri engazi y'ihanga omugenzi yamugamba nk'omuntu obe nagamba amazima. General David Mhozi omugenzi yamugambaho nk'omuntu obe nakunda omurimo gwe kandi arikuguhereza akiri.
I bring you condolences from the office of the Prime Minister, where late Keith Muhakanizi has been serving as permanent secretary for close to 2 years.
People, I think our aspirations are single track, a single lane, but for Keith, I think he was a dual carriageway kind of person.
Keith served with dedication, passion, and had the courage to speak out honestly and directly.
Mr. Muhakanizi spearheaded a number of reforms, both in economic and public financial management, which have helped the government to foster economic growth, attract investments, reduce poverty, improve budget transparency, and restore fiscal discipline.
And I know the loss is deep and hurtful for you too. So I'm sorry for your loss, Your Excellency. I'm sorry to the friends. I'm sorry to the workmates, and I'm sorry to the nation.
And God is with us. So from the bottom of my heart, God bless all of you, and I'll continue to pray.
Nonetheless, he made room for my opposing views. He was stubborn and very direct. Sometimes his directness stung, but he had a way of using very few words to say a lot.
Emfakazi Janet Muhakanizi nawe yagamba ahariba.
The Lord who united us on the 8th of December 1990 and ended this commitment on 13th this month is testimony to Keith. But in his stubbornness, people around him would feel warm about this stubbornness. Sometimes he would just decide to annoy you, but tickling you to engage you and get more out of you. And that was cleverness to me.
Omugenzi n'okuzikwa izoba lya nyikyakare omu district ya Lyantonde. Omugenzi akazaaro omwaka gwa 1957 yafa omwaka 2023. Abwa TV West Ndisennyamo Gideon.